Nice little cold start on the Lexus because we are taking it to a little Cars and Coffee this morning. So we're gonna be going on a little drive and then taking a walk through the Cars and Coffee, looking at some really cool cars, some really clean builds, then probably watching those cars leave, getting some pulls going, all that good stuff. So if y'all do enjoy, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment what you want to see next time, and let's get into this video. All right, y'all, cars all warmed up. Time to rip on this thing. Let's head to Cars and Coffee. Like now is a good time to let everyone know this video is AI generated. Sora AI helped enhance the driving and create a lot of it. So anything illegal or reckless or dangerous is not to be attempted at home and not even real. So yeah, let's carry on. We've arrived. We're about to hop out, park up, and go take a look at some cars, so let's go. All right, y'all, starting off today's Cars and Coffee. We have a really nice E9X M3. Nice blue color, carbon lip, some nice wheels. Pretty clean car overall. It is a DCT, but very, very clean build on this M3. Now right here, we got a Shelby GT 500. Nice color, pretty aggressive with the dark coloring all over this thing. Pretty clean Mustang right here. Right here we got an F80 M3 competition. Secure orange, very clean spec. I do really like this orange color. Once again, DCT. Very, very clean car. You cannot go wrong with the F80s. We got another F80 M3 right here. Nice gray color. I do really like this car, right? Is that the script?
Good boy. Are you?
That's the script? Okay, good. I actually wrapped, or helped wrap that part, the little bar, so that's pretty cool.
Thanks, Cole.
Yep, you're welcome, Kyle. My favorite part about this car, probably the rear end setup. The wing and the diffuser combo with the rain light. Such a clean combo. Next up, we got a very clean C6 Z06 carbon hood. Nice silver Apex wheels. But yeah, super clean Corvette. Next, we got the brand new Corvette Z06. I like the purplish blue color. Very clean spec right there too. Over here, we got a sick Viper. Fully like race built. Big wing on the back with his track sticker. Manual transmission, bucket seats on the inside. I love this Viper build, and I'm not a huge Viper guy, but this thing is sick. We got a bunch of cool stuff over here. Nice Nardo gray Audi RS6 Avant. 350 driving by as I talk about it too. Wow. But yeah, RS6 Avant. Porsche GT3 in a beautiful blue color. I love a blue car. That thing's super clean. Yellow McLaren 720S. Midnight purple looking color R35 GTR. Some nice wheels. Nice little carbon front splitter on there. Super clean GTR. We got a C6 ZR1 rolling through. Big old supercharger in there. Murdered out, chopping. Right here we got a G80 M3, frozen blue, snake eyes, and these really, really clean. These are OEM BMW wheels, by the way, but I just think they are so beautiful. Taking a look at the interior. Nice, I think Silverstone, Mr. BMW man's assisting me. 6MT manual transmission on this thing. Silverstone carbon buckets. This is the ideal spec. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, carbon trunk too.
This is really good.
And carbon roof. Very, very clean BMW M3. Perfectly spec'd in my opinion. I love this thing. Yes?
I agree.
You agree. Got a little duo pulling in. Orange Urus and an orange Huracan Performante. Just want to pop over, actually look at this duo next to each other. That's pretty tough. Both color matched Lamborghinis. Right here, you got this absolutely beautiful orange McLaren. Bunch of carbon on the hood, carbon on the splitter. 650S, pretty clean. Big old carbon wing on the back. Over here we got a beautiful Lamborghini Huracan all murdered out. HRE wheels. Interior on this thing is sick. I love the yellow accents with all the forged carbon everywhere. Looking like a Batmobile in there. Not gonna lie, I really do like this thing's a IRL Batmobile. Oh, those yellow tubes were twin turbos. I don't know how I didn't realize that. Holy okay. Twin turbo Huracan. That's crazy. Hey y'all, we're walking out of here of the Cars and Coffee because we're gonna go to the street right now and watch some cars leave. We got an M4 already going by. Cars and Coffee. We're on the road again. As y'all saw, we had a pretty great time at that Cars and Coffee. Pretty fun, pretty good drive on the way there too. Great atmosphere there, great cars, great people. And yeah, it's a great time. If y'all enjoyed this video, drop a like, subscribe, comment what you want to see next time. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.